Guys, good evening. This is again your Mama Cynthia saying good evening, happy Wednesday. Ayan. And for today's video, guys, or for today's vlog, I am going to unbox. Ayan. Ayan. So, nasira na yung cellphone ng aking anak. And he's complaining. So, since back to school na naman and online school starts again, so ayan, binili ko siya ng cellphone. Yes, this is Nokia C1. Yan. So ayan guys, I'm happy. Yes, I got surprised because I didn't know na meron na pala uling Nokia. So akala ko obsolete na yung Nokia. So I was surprised. Ayan. So I think tama-tama to sa kanya. So ako muna ang mag-unbox. Ang mama ang mag-unbox as if ako ang gagamit ng cellphone. Okay? So, I want you guys to be with me sa pag-unbox ko. Okay? So, teka lang. Wait a minute. Wait a minute, guys. Ayan, guys. So, ayan. Ito na nga. This is Nokia C1. Nokia C1. Yes, it's an Android phone. Yes, believe it or not guys, I got surprised sa mall today or sa SM. Hindi ko kasi alam na meron na pala ulit Nokia. Ayan, akala ko joke lang. Ayan. So, I remember, ang una kong cellphone is Nokia, yung 3210. Yes, yung pangkaskas ng yellow, sabi nila. Yes, that's my first cellphone. Yan. Tagal ko rin siyang ginamit about mga 4 years. Tapos napalitan ko siya ng 3315. Yan, 3315. Yan. So, hanggang naging N70. Last ko ata is yung touchscreen na rin siya ng Nokia. O, yun yata yung last kong Nokia. So, matagal na akong hindi nakakagamit ng Nokia. So, this is my first time again makakita. So, tara guys, let's do the unboxing. Okay? Ayan. This is for my son, pero ako ang mag-unbox. Ako talagang excited. So, ayan siya guys. And today daw, hindi na raw siya kasama ng headphone. So, di ko alam kung bakit. Ayan, parang nowadays, pakonte ng pakonte. Ano yung mga specs. I don't know why. So, ayan. It's an Android phone. Yes. So, Nokia. So, ayan. Ako talagang excited. So, dual SIM siya. Yes, dual SIM. Ayan. Open na, open. Ako ang excited. So, yan. Nag-open ng cellphone. There. Nokia. Yes. It comes up with a charger. No headphone. It has also memory card. 16 gigabytes. Oh my gosh. So, ito ang charger. Yeah. So, I think hindi naman kailangan ng anak ko ng headphone. So, there. Yan. Nag-open na. So, there. Let's try it. Okay. So, ayan. Kailangan daw i-download lang to. Open tayo ng Wi-Fi. But I don't know the password for the Wi-Fi. Yan. So, ayan siya guys. Yan. Malaki siya. Malaki siya guys. Malaki siya sa personal. Yan. So, gagamitin niya kasi for his online class. Yan. Sadly, my laptop already broke. So, sumuko na. My laptop already surrendered. So, sumuko na yung laptop ko. Ayan, so kaya cellphone na lang ang bibilin ko sa anak ko. Ayan, that's for his online class lang naman. So, it's simple, but I know this will make him smile. Ayan. And I'm happy na doon if my son is going to smile. So, that's it, guys. That's our unboxing for today. And thank you for watching my vlog for today. I hope you like it, guys. And para po sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking YouTube channel, please, guys, click the notification bell and hit the like button para lagi po kayong updated sa mga videos na i-upload namin. Ayan, so thank you, guys. Wait, ikakabit ko lang yung casing. It comes up with a casing, pero wala siyang headphone, wala din siyang selfie stick. So nowadays, yung mga mga cellphone daw, pag bumibili ka, pakonti ng pakonti yung mga specs na kasama. I don't know why. Siguro kasi nagmamahal na rin ang mga bagay-bagay. Ayan, dahil nga we're on a pandemic time, so that's why maybe, I don't know. I don't know really. I don't know. Ayan, so let's go, guys. And yeah. This is also my gift for him. Yeah, because he's, he's very good in school also. So my son is very good in school. He's at the top of his class. So that's every year. Tapos lagi pa siya sinasali sa mga quiz bees, sa sayaw. Siyempre, mana sa mama. Haha, ahaha. Yan, he's a good dancer also. A folk dancer. Yeah. So, ayan na siya, guys. Tcharan! May casing na siya. Ayan. So, ayan. Nokia's Android C1. Ayan, masaya ako kasi may Nokia na ulit. Ay nako, hindi ko ba alam kung saan ako nanggagaling sa mga araw-araw na yan. At hindi ko alam na meron palang mga nagbabalik. Ayan, nakala ko wala nang magbabalik. Ayan, nagbalik na. So, guys, set up ko lang to and I'm going to give it to him. And thank you guys for watching my vlog. Thank you for watching my unboxing today. God bless you all, guys. See you again on my next vlog. Bye!